Hey gang, here's part 2 in our 4-part 5-lug series. Today we're going to look at higher performance applications and the strut. If you're adding flares or a high-powered engine, bolting on a 911 strut is your best solution. This is what the factory did for the 914-6. You'll get vented rotors and a plethora of 911 caliper options to choose from. You have 2 basic strut options determined mainly by their caliper mounting ear spacing, 3-inch and 3.5-inch. Both have excellent caliper choices available. For most applications, we recommend a strut replacement only. The 914 spring rate is superb for street and sport driving. Stay tuned for more in the series as we delve into the various rear suspension solutions. If you're looking to go 5-lug on your 914, you know who to call.